afternoon, everyone. Welcome to CT Style. I'm Teresa Dufour.
And what's shaking? I'm Ryan Christopher. Hopefully you're having a nice day so far. You having a good day?
Absolutely.
You enjoying the warm weather? It's like springtime
so nice.
here.
We were at the park yesterday. We rode bikes. Yeah, we made the most of it because we don't see that in February too often.
No, we don't. Thanks for the invite. I greatly appreciate it.
You can get your helmet and your bike and come with us.
That's how I got to work today. I'm just saying, we want to give a big shout out to some guys and gals that are here from Old Saybrook High School. We have the Journalism and Communications class. Hey, hey, hey.
They're on an educational field trip today. Did you guys learn anything, I hope? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
That was questionable.
That's an enthusiastic response right there. Yeah, of course we did. So I'm sure some of those guys will be replacing us on the show in about 7 years or so. So we better enjoy this while it lasts, I guess. So big shout out to them. Thanks for hanging out with us today, guys. Today's dish is all presented by our friends over at Stone Academy.
All right, do you know anyone that uses those dating apps?
Anyone?
Anyone using dating
anyone?
apps?
I have a few friends that are on Bumble. Hinge is the new one, which is like a more. I tried to figure. Not that I have it, but I'm saying it's unique. I guess.
All right. Well, sometimes they can be intimidating, but now you can find love with what's in your fridge.
Is this real?
This is a thing. Samsung's smart fridge scans your shelves and finds people who like similar foods to match with on this Tinder-like app.
I dig it. The new app is called...
Whose fridge looks like that? First of all.
I think, well, yours does because you are just...
Now that it's organized, but when I was single...
Yeah, what was in your fridge back in the day when you were single?
Like mayonnaise and corn dogs.
Corn dogs.
That was it.
Oh, that's yummy. Sounds like a wild time in your fridge. The app is called the Refriger-Dating and lets your taste buds dictate your love there. It works alongside Samsung's Family Hub refrigerator, which allows you to monitor and see your refrigerator on the inside of your phone.
Because everyone needs that.
Yeah, because everyone needs to see that. I took some photos of my fridge this morning. And I'm a little embarrassed, but I mean, that's all I got. I got some milk.
You had a lot of leftovers. You actually put the crock pot right in the fridge?
Yeah, because
why don't you put it in like a Tupperware first?
I don't know, because I'm lazy, and I'm just like, I'll put the whole crock pot in there.
Here's the crock pot.
There's the whole thing. Got
a lot of condiments too. Yeah, you cooking anything? What's for dinner tonight?
Just probably some ketchup and barbecue sauce with a side of mayo. That's about it tonight, it looks like. But it's funny because we were talking about this story, and it kind of reminds me, 6 years ago, I made this TV pilot, which didn't go anywhere, but it's called...
You tried.
I tried. It's called Check It Out, the game show where you find love in a grocery store. Now we have two lovely contestants who are going to try to win over the love of our eligible bachelor. But they do this by what they put inside of their cart. So let's head on over to the produce aisle and meet our bachelor.
My name is Paul Falzone. I'm 28 years old and I'm a musician, actor, singer. I need a girl to be high energy, full of positive energy. I need her to be very flexible. Easy like Sunday morning.
How about Paul?
There was a lot of production that went into this, Rye. I feel so bad it didn't pan out for you.
Well, now I'm here on CT Style.
It all worked out.
I guess it all worked out, but it's funny because we made this whole TV pilot kind of thing. We pitched it to Game Show Network and Food Network, but we pitched it to Food Network, and then it took us 6 months to finally get a meeting with them. So once we finally got the meeting, we're in there, we're pumped, we're like, we got a golden show, this is going to be awesome. It's like Supermarket Sweep and a dating show, whatever. And they're like, oh, well, a week ago we picked up a show called Guys Grocery Games. And I was like, oh, it's funny because we told you about this idea 6 months ago. So I'm still a little...
somebody stole it?
I'm not saying I'm bitter about it, but maybe I'm just saying it's a good idea. But maybe we could do a spin-off here in Connecticut, a little dating show.
With the fridge. I feel like go with that whole idea.
Let's do it. Samsung, hook us up, please.
That was funny. And that was quite the outfit. You look very dapper inside the grocery store.
Well, who doesn't wear a vest inside
I
look like Mr. Rogers today, so we're always in character doing something, I guess.
All right, Fred, so it will not be more of the same at Hollywood's biggest awards show this year. That's because for the first time in 3 decades, the Oscars will have no main host. Yeah. They don't know about you, though, I guess.
Not me. They were turned off by the vest, I guess, and the cardigan. But you remember all the drama with Kevin Hart and some of the comments that he made. So he was in, then he was out, then he was back in, maybe, sort of, kind of. But now there are officially no hosts. There's just presenters. There's going to be a whole crew. You got Whoopi Goldberg and Tessa Thompson. Those are just a few that are going to be handing out the awards. And, of course, on Sunday, the 24th, February 24th, that's when all the fun happens. Right here on WDTNH, so make sure that you tune in for that.
All right, starts at 8 o'clock. This is fun. There's a new round of emojis coming to your cell phone. More than 50 new emotions to help you personalize your text messages.
This is so cool here. According to the final list, From the Unicode Consortium, many of these new symbols focus on inclusivity. So the new emojis include people with wheelchairs, guide dogs, hearing aids, and prosthetic limbs, which is so nice. And it'll also be updated.
You could change the race, the gender, a hearing aid. Wow.
Which is so nice. And it's always cool when you get the updated ones and you get to go through
and fun, right?
Send them to your mom and see how she reacts and says, what exactly is this here?
All right, we want to invite you to a pretty cool event that's happening this weekend. Ryan's going to be there. It's Friday night at the Connecticut Science Center in Hartford. You can experience science straight up.
Do you love food?
Sure.
Do you love a good time?
Absolutely.
Then you better be there, all right? It's Hartford's smartest happy hour to explore the connection between food and love with celebrity chef Chef Plum. And it's going to be fun. We got entertainment.
You guys have like a bromance going, you and Chef Plum. You hang out all the time.
Look, we got a groovy kind of love, I guess. But the tickets are like super affordable. Go to the website, ctsciencecenter.org. Get them. Be there on Friday. It's a fun happy hour.
And you get admission into the Science Center, which is pretty cool in itself because you get to all go and experience all the exhibits.
And it's even more exciting after a few adult beverages. Then just things are next level.
And you as the host, what could be better?
Oh my goodness! I mean, come on, you got to be there for that. But wait, there's more. We have more family fun for you guys. You could actually win a VIP package to see the Harlem Globetrotters.
Yeah, this includes 4 pre-show magic passes and a VIP courtside seat for you and your guests. It's happening February 15th at 5:30, so that is at the Webster Bank Arena in Bridgeport. To enter, all you have to do is go to WTNH.com/contests and give it a try.
And also we have